What's up, guys? Welcome to Mike It Yourself, and today is Review Wednesday. For today's video, we're going to take a quick look back at the I think this was a 2004 Softail seat and pillion that I put on my 95. And if you saw the video, you know I had to do some modifications to make it work out. But what I wanted to cover is just kind of, well, how did it work out, right? And I'll be honest, I haven't had time to get it reupholstered. It's something I definitely wanted to do because it does have some wear marks and stuff. This was a used seat, so but I gotta say, this seat is so freaking comfortable compared to my Lapera. So the Lapera seat, the look of it is amazing. Like, it is perfectly streamlined with the bike. It's super low profile, and it, like I said, it just looks great. However, after riding it for a bit, man, it just, yeah, it's got me. Like, I just don't feel the comfort. So I wanted to swap it out to something a little bit more saddle-like, and went with the OG from an 04, and it was worth the buy. I think I paid 40 bucks for this on OfferUp or something like that, and definitely worth every dollar. So, you know, kind of long story short, if you're looking to modify or if you're looking to get a little bit more comfortable seat, and you've got an aftermarket one already on here, and you're looking for something, you know, whether or not is it worthwhile to put the original seat back on if you can find it, I say absolutely. And if you have an older bike and you can't find an OEM seat for your bike, then it is absolutely possible to go with the newer style Softail seat on the old Evo Harleys. So it's pretty simple modifications. I had to trim out some plastic underneath, but it didn't destroy or ruin the integrity of the seat. I wanted to call it the cap, but the underbelly of it, yeah, no problems at all. So again, just taking a look back, it looks great. Once I get this thing reupholstered, it'll look even better, and I'll get many more miles of comfort riding on the Fatboy here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. And if you don't want to miss out on my next video, hit that notification bell. That way you get the ding ding when the next video comes out. Until the next video, I hope to see you in the win.